Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I have a really cool product. It is a hair clipper, a cordless hair clipper, and we're going to be telling you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's do a quick unboxing of this cordless hair clipper. It is a cordless hair trimmer with a power display, complete home grooming kit. So let's go ahead and open that up, and you can see that I need a haircut today, and I'm going to be trying it out. Here is the hair clipper right there. Pretty cool. It has an off and on button. So this has a USB connector, so all you have to do is hook this up right here in the back, and then plug that into your USB socket to charge this up. I like the fact that this is rechargeable because my wife cuts my hair, and sometimes she'll do it outside and we'll have to stretch out the power cord, but with this you don't need any more power cord. Okay, it also comes with a different assortments here for cutting different lengths. We have an 18 millimeter, 15 millimeter, a 9 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and a 3 millimeter. So this fits on here pretty easy. All you have to do is slip this over your blade till it snaps into place. And when you're done using it, you take your finger like this and you click it off and you're ready to go. This knob right here also adjusts the length right here. So you can go from a 0.8 right here all the way to 2.0. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. My wife is going to go ahead and cut my hair with this, so we're going to be able to see it in action. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I love the fact that on this hair trimmer here that you can go from a 0.8 to a 2.0. Also comes with attachments from 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 9, 12, 15, all the way to an 18 millimeter right here. Also comes with a handy duty cleaning brush. What more can you ask for? It is cordless. Isn't that cool? You can take this on trips. You can go cut the hair outside. You don't have that big mess inside. Beautiful. Nice. Feels great in the hand. Has a lot of power. What more can you ask for? I will have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon. The company is great to deal with. And like always, make sure you have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.